Filling the gaps, mastering the gapped text. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic under the Reading and Use of English section of the B2 First FCE exam, the gapped text. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with strategies and confidence to tackle this part of the exam. The gapped text, also known as a missing sentence exercise, involves a text from which sentences have been removed and placed in a jumbled list after the text. Your job is to decide where each sentence fits in the text. For instance, text, John went to the store, ____. He returned home with a bag of apples. Missing sentence. A. He decided to buy some fruit. B. The weather was hot. The correct answer is A. He decided to buy some fruit. The gapped text tests your ability to understand. 1. Text structure. How ideas are developed and linked in a text. 2. Cohesion. The grammatical and lexical linking within a text. 3. Coherence. The logical sequence of ideas and events in a text. It's not just about understanding individual sentences but the entire context of the passage. 1. Read the whole text first. Before looking at the removed sentences, read the whole text. This will give you a general idea and context. 2. Look for clues. Check the sentences before and after each gap. They often contain information or hints to help you identify the correct missing sentence. 3. Eliminate obviously wrong choices. Some options might be clearly unsuitable. Eliminate them first to make your decision easier. 4. Pay attention to reference words. Words like it, he, this, or those can give clues about what the missing sentence might be discussing. 5. Ensure logical flow. The inserted sentence should ensure the paragraph or text flows logically. 6. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more familiar you'll become with the structure and what the examiners are looking for. Tackling the gapped text might seem daunting at first, but with the right strategies and plenty of practice, you can ace it. We hope this video gave you a clear understanding and some helpful tips. Remember, every challenge in language learning is an opportunity for growth. Happy studying and best of luck on your B2 First exam.